This is everything you need to know about how to create your very own resin picnic table. Hi, my name's Meg. Are you wanting to create a personalised gift for a loved one? Why not consider an ocean-inspired resin picnic table that can be enjoyed by everyone? Let's get into it. To create a truly bespoke design, incorporate colours to suit the style of the person you're designing the project for. There are plenty of options when working with resin. You could do ocean art, geometric patterns, inlay designs, or metallic accents. The beauty of resin is it is versatile and customisable, meaning you can create something that is uniquely your own. To begin, you'll need to prepare your surface. Lay down a plastic drop sheet and apply painter's tape to the underneath surface of the board to avoid the resin from dripping and creating uneven edges. Additionally, you will then need to work out how much surface area you are looking to cover, as this will inform how much resin you'll need. We've covered about half the board. Follow the instructions on the resin kit to mix the resin and hardener to the correct ratios. If you want to add colour to the resin, add pigment powder according to the manufacturer's instructions. We're going for an ocean look. I'm mixing up a variety of colours in separate containers. Dark blue for the water and white for the waves. Once the resin is mixed, you will need to act quickly before it hardens. Use a heat gun to create the wave pattern in the resin. Move the heat source back and forth along the white line towards the blue resin to create the desired look. If you want a three-dimensional look, you can add an additional layer of resin once the first layer has cured. It is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific type of resin being used and to allow ample time for the resin to fully dry. The time it takes the resin to cure depends on the type of resin, the temperature, and the size and the thickness of the project. Once the resin is dry, it's time to remove the painter's tape and add the legs to the table to finish off your project. And there you have it. Your DIY resin picnic table is now complete. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.